Now we are discussing about money making options. In that today, rent a spare room on Airbnb. Airbnb is a software. In that you can it can Airbnb can be a terrific platform for renting out a spare room. You can make some good money, especially if you live in a tourist destination. If you don't mind the neighbors, then this is an option. You can crash with friends and family and rent out your entire house if you are desperate. So Airbnb is a software. Likewise, in every country, one type of rental information providing softwares are there. In that, if you if you suppose one space is there in your house, in the Panther house, or 5 rooms of house is there. In that, 4 rooms will be efficient to you service, and your daughter and son has gone America for for studies and educational purpose. 2 rooms are vacant. In around 5-6 rooms are there. 4 rooms are available. 4 rooms will be sufficient to you. 2 rooms are vacant is there. In those 2 rooms, if you are providing all this information, rent a spare. So many rental software providing softwares are there. Suppose one of the example is Airbnb. In that, if you book your details in that, tourist places and travelers will book your rooms for present study or general so many purposes. They will come for interview purposes and job purposes. They will trial them, they will do their best. By that, these spare rooms will be highly useful to them. Their life will also be changed and settled very well by these opportunities. Wishing you all the best.